How to order food on Grab application. Are guests facing issues to order food on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you can see the options for food, bike, car. You are looking for food, right? Tap on food. Now write down the food name that you are craving for. Once you write it down, just simply hit this plus button. After you click on plus, tap on add to basket. Now tap on basket. After you click on basket, you need to write down your address and delivery instructions. So after you fill up all the details, just simply tap on confirm. Now click on place order. As soon as you click on place order, your food will be ordered, and that's it guys. That's how we're gonna order food on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.